What's going on, everybody? Bird here. I just finished up a quick little bench press session. I did about 225 with 3 sets of 8 reps. I'm pretty much going to utilize that as a warm-up as I go ahead and attempt CT Fletcher's 200 rep gauntlet for the triceps. I have my dumbbells lined up right here. And in case you're unfamiliar with this challenge or gauntlet from CT Fletcher, I'll go ahead and paste the link to his YouTube video in the description below so that we get spun up. And I urge anyone willing to go ahead and give this a try. Now I have my gauntlet, go ahead and set that up. And I'll apologize in advance. Unlike CT and Mark Bell and those guys that they attempted this, they got a team of folks. It's just me, Lone Ranger here, in my lovely dojo, for lack of a better term. And also, I'm pretty sure my dumbbells are slightly lighter than what they use. I basically adjusted it to my strength level. I mean, let's just face it, I'm not on those guys' level, but I still wanted to give this a try because it looked really cool. It looked really fun. So give me a minute. I'll go ahead and get set up, and then we'll get started.
I tell them, black man, please wake up or something. Don't it push your buttons, be in cuff or nothing. The pigs is short of swine, they always up to something. They pull up, jump out cars and start the pocket running. Can we search your vehicle? I look and tell them. Is you gonna arrest me? If you not, I gotta. 4 lines of that oil, I mix it up and sip it. Nothing less than gas when I pass it to my black man, just stay on your shit. That's if you punching clocks or if you busting bricks. That's if you selling zips or if you selling nicks. These hoppers I control, you cannot tell them shit. Try to teach them to strive, that's the key to survive. The streets will eat you alive, niggas beef over pride. All the llamas in the drama, homicides on my side. The black lives won't matter till we stop genocide. I tell them, black man, too much soldier hating. They double cross, I understand retaliation. We brainwash with that garbage from my favorite stations. We losing as a whole, we could control a nation. So who we give our dollars, who we give the power. So buy black and buy back what's rightfully ours. Knowledge is power, power's nothing without the control. These words from the soul worth more than some platinum and gold.
What's up, everybody? Bird here. Just finished up the 200 rep gauntlet put in place by CT Fletcher, Mark Bell, and Solid Mike. As you can see, this is no treat. This is no walk in the park. It's certainly challenging. I started to question whether or not I was going to be able to finish, but I pushed through. I pushed hard, and I can tell you, I ain't no bitch, no quitting. This kid ain't nothing but a peanut. Nevertheless, I urge anybody willing to go ahead and give this thing a challenge. It certainly is beast, and it will test you to the maximum, push you to your limits, might even push you past a few. Just be advised that when you do it, just as I did, man, select a group of dumbbells that you know you can handle. It may be similar to what I had here. I said I had 40s, 30s, 25s, 20s, and 15s, 20 reps a piece with little to no rest. I will admit, since it's just me in here, you know, at the end of the first 100 reps, I had to take a quick break to go ahead and rearrange the group. And down there at the end, had to collect my thoughts, man, because like I said, I started to second guess my decision to do that. But yeah. Strongly encourage anybody willing and able to go ahead and give this challenge a try. It certainly is a beast. And once you're done, you'll feel so much better for having done it. So again, check it out. CT's original video with Mark Bell and Solid Mike and CT Fletcher. I'm going to go ahead and post a link to that video in the description here, so you can go ahead and check that out, so you can see how those guys did it and where I got my inspiration from. So appreciate you guys watching. If you do take an opportunity to complete this challenge yourself, I'd really like to see it. So tag me in it, post it to any of my pages, or send me a link, and I'd love to check it out, man. And if you have any other challenges that you want me to try out, maybe something that you thought of or you seen elsewhere on the web, give me a holler, man. I'm down for any challenge as long as I have the equipment to do it. If not, you know, I'll go ahead and get it, and then I'll knock the challenge out. So otherwise, post any questions that you have in the comments. Bird out.